Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Charm Living. Today I'm going to show you how I prepped my Padsicles for my postpartum recovery. And this is the best thing to do before you go into your recovery because then it's already made for you. You can just put it in the freezer and you're good to go. If you notice, I do have 4 different types of pads. I have these L brand Maxi chlorine free pads. They are overnight, extra long overnight, and I believe they have wings. Yes. Then I have Always Maxi. These also have wings. They're overnight as well. These over here are from the Honey Pot company. These already have herbal infused pads with wings, but I'm gonna add some more things to it as well. I also have Kotex extra heavy overnight with wings also. So I'm gonna see which one I actually prefer best later on, and I'll update you on that to see which one I like and preferred best out of all of them. And then I also have the Thayer's Witch Hazel. This is facial toner. I did get it unscented because I didn't want anything in it, so I didn't want the original one. This one's just unscented with nothing, and also it's alcohol free, so it doesn't cause any irritations. Here's the aloe vera gel. As you can tell, it does not look like your typical gel that you would find at like Target or anything like that. So I did get this one online on Amazon. I have a spoon and I have a bag here to put all of the stuff in. So I figured I would make one of each just so that you can see all the different ones and get a good look at what they would be like. We're gonna go ahead and start with this one here. This is the Always Maxi. I actually haven't used pads this thick in a long time. So you're gonna open this up. Oh yeah, that is a nice long size. So we are going to want to remove, at least from one end, like this. The first thing we're gonna do, and I'm actually gonna hold this down here with this. Of course, make sure your hands are clean when doing this. I think that's enough. And then I'm going to take some aloe vera, pour it all over like so. And then I'll take my spoon and just spread that out nicely. Some people do not like Always. We'll see how it works for me, but because of the lining, fabric lining that they have on top, it's like a plasticky one as opposed to like cotton. It can get caught if you have stitches or anything, so we'll see how it works out. But we're gonna go ahead and close this back up. And ta-da! One is completed. Place this in our baggie. Next up we have the Kotex AllNighters. Again, another nice long pad to work with. A lot thinner, for sure, than the other Always one. Let's go ahead and add some witch hazel. Got a nice decent amount. Some aloe vera. Oops. Because the aloe vera is going to provide the cooling aspect, and it's going to feel really nice on your recovering private parts later. This next one is the L brand extra long overnight. I love it when they have the little stickies on like this. The Honey Pot one is also a nice decent length. I do smell scents that it has because they do put like peppermint and lavender and stuff like that in it. And the Honey Pot one is completed. Some people like to add essential oils to their mixture. So they would mix together the witch hazel, adding some essential oils like lavender to kind of help with the soothing. So this one has mint, lavender, and aloe. If you look at the ingredients here, you see chlorine-free, pesticide-free, cotton rose, houtunia, mint, aloe, and lavender. I have this Earth Mama Organic Perennial Balm, and this provides lasting cooling relief with an exclusive blend of herbs and oils traditionally used for relief down there, both before and after childbirth. And remember, your body will be normal. A new normal, but normal nonetheless. Promise. So the ingredients that are in this one, we have here olive fruit oil, shea butter, organic beeswax, jojoba seed oil, organic lavender oil, organic peppermint, leaf oil, witch hazel, leaf extract, organic St. John's wort extract, calendula flower extract, organic yarrow extract. And then it says store in the refrigerator for extra cooling and apply 2 to 3 times a day and you'll be sitting pretty in no time. I think I'm going to do a few that have this in it as well. So you can see what it looks like. It is this kind of waxy oil looking thing. So I'm actually gonna apply it just in this like center section here. Probably applied a little bit too much. So I know it kind of looks like gross, but we're just trying it out and seeing. So we're gonna apply some witch hazel. Maybe this will help spread it out a little bit better as well. Aloe. But hopefully that will help out a little bit. So here is my bag with all the pads in. I think I have maybe 20 different ones in here. I didn't want to go make too many just because I don't know how long I'm going to be needing them. I still have the witch hazel. I still have the aloe vera, so if I needed to make more, I could. I actually liked the padding, I think, of the L brand Extra Overnight the best. So I made more of those, and I also made some more of the Kotex ones because they're a little bit thinner. And the ones from the L brand were a little bit more on the thicker side, but not as thick as the Always. So I do have 2 of those in here. Again, just to have a variety, and also the honey pot is in here also. So I will be doing a checkup later on after I have actually used them and create another video in the future. So I hope that you liked this video, that you enjoyed watching this and watching me put together my Padsicles. But if you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. If you want to see other postpartum things later on, definitely let me know down below. But this I just wanted to kind of prep beforehand, before I went into labor, so that it would be ready for me when I came home. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.